How to fix ChatGPT network error issue. The first thing to do when you encounter the network error issue is to refresh the page for a few times, and most of the times it works. Don't forget to copy the prompt before doing this. The next thing to do is to check your internet connection. Make sure it is reliable and stable. If you are still facing this issue, then try logging out and logging in again. And if that didn't help, then try clearing the cache and cookies of OpenAI. For this, go to the settings, click on privacy and security. Next, select cookies and other site data. Scroll down and click on see all site data and site permissions. Now search for OpenAI and then finally tap on the delete icon. This will now reset everything, so just go ahead and log in again. If all of these didn't work, then what you can do is try changing the browser. If you are using Edge or Firefox, you can try using Chrome and vice versa. And there you have it, some of the solutions that you can try if you are facing the network error while using ChatGPT. I hope any one of them will work out for you. Thank you so much for watching.